But why don't we start off talking about the economy? And Koger, why don't we go to you first and just tell us how you see the Colorado economy progressing in the next few years.
Well, we're not economists, we're bankers, and so we look at it basically from our standpoint of how do we measure risk and how does it affect our customers. What I would say is that we have seen a dramatic turnaround here in Colorado. Don talked, earlier it was talked about when the Great Recession hit, and I would tell you that we would have customers that had capacity, that whatever they were working on may have made a lot of sense, and there was absolute fear and would not do those things. And what we're seeing now is that our customers are seeing a really active market. Certainly it's not across all industries, but it's in an awful lot of them. And our bank is doing an awful lot of for companies reinvesting in capital equipment, people, expansion, and so we see that as a really good sign. We are bankers, so we worry. We're pessimists. We're wondering what's going to go wrong and when. And so there's certainly headwinds. And when you look at the regulatory environment, on our industry, but also on our customers and what impacts that may have, the debt, when interest rates will rise, what kind of impact that will have. There's plenty of things to worry about. But particularly here in Colorado, we're pretty positive.
Dave, what would you add?
Well, I think Koger summarized it pretty well, so I'll try not to just repeat what he said. But these are pretty good times right now. I mean, when you see the restaurants on their signs, they say that they're hiring, not they're special on foods. I mean, the labor market has gotten tighter. You see the cranes in the air for construction, for example. If you want to build something today, you can't find a contractor for any size project. They are all, basically filled up right now. From a banking perspective, credit losses are very, very low. But this is also when you need to be a little bit more careful because bad loans are made in good times. You just don't know it at the time. Everyone is chasing the A credit. All banks are chasing the A credits. Those are very ferocious. Pricing is very low on those. Interest rate environment is very low as well. But this is a time that you have to be a little bit careful because everyone's doing stuff and they think it's going to be good forever, and we know that it won't be good forever. So you just have to keep that in mind. But generally, the economy is pretty dang good right now.